Actually felt like it went well. In the room, they actually sorted the problem, and I'm always a bit pitchy anyway, so I wasn't particularly... I am. It's emotion. It's emotion. When I'm flat and I'm sharp, I'm just emotional. But yeah, so it was fine, you know.
Okay, singers, let's talk about this because this is so important to me. I stress it all the time with my artists. I would say right from the beginning, one of the first things you have to do is master being able to give an emotional performance. And sometimes that comes at the sacrifice of a few little pitchy parts, but I would say I would rather see someone like Adele, who I think is amazing, blasting it out. Okay, she has a few pitchy parts, but she's in it. She believes it. People are just trying to memorize songs in order to just regurgitate them and sound good. It's opposite. You want to internalize it on the songs. Yes, you don't want to sound like a hot mess and be all over the place, but at the end of the day, music is emotion. If you don't understand what you're singing, you don't understand emotion, you're just going to be in another sea of amazing singers that just don't feel it. And that is not going to help you.